biscuit there, and I have some peanuts. I think they like peanuts too. Good morning guys. So it's day 2 and we are all set to go to Dhanolti now. It's our day 2 and it's our last day as well. So getting inside the van. Dhanolti ka? So guys, we've taken a halt and just wanted to appreciate the beauty and look at it. Just look at this place, guys. Just look at it. Just look as to where am I standing. This is just so amazing, and the camera is not doing justice to what the view exactly is right now. It's just too good. I'll just show you guys. We are on our way to Dhanolti. Still, we have like how many kilometers to go?
I think 15 kilometers.
Around 15
we are
kilometers.
halfway down.
Yeah, we are halfway down. Right. So guys, Dhanolti is 34 kilometers. Yeah, it's really awesome. I said Dhanolti, so yeah, she said awesome. So it's really pretty. There's a lot of snow over there because it's even at a more height. It's even higher, and it's 34 kilometers above Mussoorie. So. Hi Shishu! So like you guys can see, because of the traffic jam we cannot go up to Dhanolti. So this is what it is. Okay. Hi guys. I don't know where am I was trying my best not to slip. Hi ma'am. Hello. Loving it here. So guys, I finally successfully climbed down the whole mountain, and now I'm on my way, just exploring a little more, because the rest of the people, they are busy elsewhere. So I thought, yeah, that I would explore and vlog and show you guys everything. Yeah, found Shishu. Let's.
We're having Maggie.
Oh, nice! I'll have it too then. Okay, it's time for revenge. Okay, मैं आ रही हूँ. Hi. Okay, say hello everyone.
There's no fun.
Amazing. Oh god, I think I should wear my shades now. Bye. Bye. Hi, birdies. Hello. Hi.
Hello!
Hi, guys. Hi. Hi, dads. Hi. So we are finally here at a place, Bhatta Fall, and there seems to be a lot of things for me to do. Yay! So we are heading down towards the whole thing. Super excited. So we are here. This here is Bhatta Fall. We arrived at our first ride. So excited. Excited? Yes! Okay guys, so we are ready for a giant swing. It's not exactly a mini giant swing. Okay, pray for ourselves.
बस अब खत्म जितना हो ना बस छोड़ दो
Yay! We did it! It was a great ride. Had fun. Oh wow, they have a gaming zone here. Let's see. Hi guys, hi Shishi. So we are here at a restaurant in Dehradun, and like you guys can see, as we've landed here in Dehradun, so our trip to Mussoorie is finally over, and it's been so great, and it's a short and lovely trip, and we had a lot of fun. And this is a restaurant we are in, and we have the whole team, the whole crew with us. So yeah, now we're gonna have dinner, and I'm gonna sign off now. And I'd like to end my vlog over here, and from here we'll take a train, go to the station and take a train, and then go to back to our city Lucknow and get back to our normal lives. So it was fun filming the whole video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. So yeah, it's a wrap now, and I'm gonna sign off. Bye, peace, take care you guys. Bye the bye.